Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate appointment scheduling for therapists via WhatsApp. So let's suppose I'm running a therapist business and I'm receiving many inquiries from my leads in WhatsApp. Now manually replying to all of these leads will consume a lot of my time, so I've completely automated this process and I have created an automation appointment booking with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Like I'm going to create this WhatsApp chatbot, and whenever a user send me a message, automatically based on the reply, the appointment will be scheduled automatically. Now if you want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how we can automate appointment scheduling for therapists via WhatsApp, and for this I have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To test this once, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send some message, and as soon as I send this message, you will see that I'm instantly going to receive the reply. I'm going to send this message, hey, I want to book appointment, and let's wait for the reply. And here it is, I have received the reply. Please select therapy service you need, counseling, massage therapy or cognitive behavioral. I'm going to go with this counseling, and then it is going to ask me the preferred date. I'm going to write a random date like 28/2025, and then it is going to ask me my name. So I'm going to enter my name like I've entered my name, and now I'm going to receive a personalized message. Here we see that thank you Shomurti, your session is confirmed for this particular date which we have entered just now. Our therapist will contact you shortly for further details. See you soon. If I click on this ask question, it is going to send me some message, and I can ask any question. It seems like you might have a question in mind. How can I assist you today? So I am going to ask them, please tell me about counseling. I am going to send this message, and let's wait for the reply. It is going to tell me what counseling is, what is the price, and what is the timing and everything. And here we have received the reply. Counseling is therapeutic service designed to help individuals address emotional issues, navigate life transition, stress, anxiety, depression, relationship concern, personal development. Key points are duration is 60 minutes, price is 1200, and then all sessions are 100% confidential. So I have received this message. This is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. So we are going to create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And to visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join the Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on new features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow, access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. Now, if you want to create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, you can simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp using this WhatsApp Connect, or you can use a manual token to create your own Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, then please check out our YouTube channel. Now, I have already created my own account. And on the left hand side where I can see all these options, we have to go towards this flows to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. On the left hand side itself, you can see all these features. And if you want to learn about all of these features, then you can visit the YouTube channel. I'm quickly going to open this flows. And I have landed towards this flow builder. You can see the total flows, active flows, and the inactive flows. To create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow button. After opening this, I'm quickly going to name this flow as appointment scheduling for therapist via WhatsApp, and over here I have this box. I have the trigger event, keywords and the regex, and then in this drop down I can find all the options with the help of which I will be able to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot. I'm going to use this keyword regex match. If you want to enter or use this user start conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, you can select according to your choice and preference. For now I'm going to select this as keyword and regex match, and then I'm going to add the keyword like appointment. Over here, I am adding the keyword, and with the help of this particular keyword, whenever a user sends me a message, this WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered. But over here, we have another option of regex. Regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify different patterns of words and variable. I'm going to enter a pattern over here. And with the help of this pattern, whenever a user sends me any message, my WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered. It is not necessary that they send me a particular keyword and then only the WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered. But whenever I receive any message, this WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered. And so is regex. So if you are adding the regex, please make sure that you add that in this particular pattern only. After the WhatsApp chatbot has been activated, which means here we have sent the first message and then we have received this message. So how we are going to create this message? For that, on the left hand side where you can see all these options of messages and actions, we have various options to create the text button, media button, to send images, videos, documents. To create many more options, we have this list, we have the catalog message, single product and multi-product, and template, which is a pre-designed message format which we can attach on our WhatsApp chatbot. And then we have this action where we can apply the condition. We can ask the address of the user, their location, their question. We can ask them to upload the media. We can set the custom field. We can add the tag to their contact. We can send the details of this user or get the details with the help of this API request. We can assign AI assistants to this WhatsApp chatbot, and then this WhatsApp chatbot is going to reply to them accordingly. And then we can connect one flow to another flow. So here I'm going to go towards the messages, and then I'm going to drag and drop this text plus button. Or what we can do, we can simply click on the circle and then we can select the content type. I have all the content in this drop down. I'm going to select it as text plus button, and then you see we have added a text plus button, and with the help of this text plus button I'm going to provide this message and then the options. Now over here I'm going to provide three options. So I'm going to provide buttons. Instead of adding the list, I'm going to add the buttons. I'm going to write the message as. So here I have entered the message, and in the buttons which I have added, I have entered the text. Now here please select the therapy service you need, and then I have entered this counseling, massage therapy and the cognitive behavioral. Now I am going to provide the message for these buttons. Now whenever my customers click on any of the buttons, the next message should be sent to them like this one. When would you like to schedule your booking and what is your name? And then I'm going to provide a personalized message, and then I'm going to use another feature of this Pabbly chat flow where I'm going to create an AI assistant and attach that AI assistant to my WhatsApp chatbot, so that whenever I'm going to be asked any question about my business, this AI assistant answer according to the question asked. So here I'm quickly going to complete this flow. So here I've created this WhatsApp chatbot. I have entered these messages, and after these messages, whenever a customer click on any of the buttons, I'm going to send them this message in which I'm going to ask them the preferred date. Now here I have simply gone towards the action and then drag and drop this ask question, created the question and then selected the contact custom field. Here I have asked the question about the date. When do they want to schedule their session? And then I've selected the contact custom field, and then I've selected the format as date. Now it is very important to understand that whenever we are going to create a contact custom field, we have to select the format, and with the help of this contact custom field only we will be able to save all the details of this customer. So on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to go towards the settings, and then I'm going to open this contact custom fields in a new tab. Now I have landed towards this contact custom field. If I scroll down, you can see all the fields which I have created. I have created a contact custom field for the date, and whenever you create a field, you have to add that field and then you have to save that field. When you have to create a personalized message, you simply have to copy this field name and paste that over to your message, and this particular $date is going to create a personalized message. I hope this is very clear to you now. So here I have asked them the question. I have selected the contact custom field and the date. So whenever you are asking a question, please make sure that you enter or create a contact custom field for that particular question so that the answer gets saved there. Then I have asked the question for the full name. I have selected the contact custom field as full name. I have selected the format as text, and then I want to add the tag. So whenever I'm going to receive a message like this, someone who wants to book the appointment, I'm going to tag this user. So while I was showing you the real-time example, on the left hand side, I'm going to open this inbox in a new tab, and I'm going to show you that I have automatically added the therapy tag there. So here, this was the last conversation. This is a chat, and if I scroll down over here in the general details, if I scroll down further, you can see the tag has been added. The therapy tag has been added. So that tag feature has helped me add the tag and segregate the contacts and the chats. I'll go back towards my flow now. So with the help of this add tag, I have added a tag, and then with the help of this text plus button, I have sent the personalized message. Now I hope that this $full name $date is clear to you why I have added and used this. And then after this, finally, I have created a button in ask question, and then I have attached this message, this button, to the AI assistant. Now here I have created an AI assistant. On the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to open this AI assistant in a new tab. And this is the AI assistant which I have created. Over here, I have entered all these details. If you want to learn how you can create an AI assistant, you can watch the YouTube channel. We have many videos on this. And then I have entered the knowledge source. I'm quickly going to show you the knowledge source which I have created. And based on that knowledge source itself, I was able to receive these detailed replies. So this was the knowledge source which I've created. I have entered all the details in very detailed format. And as I enter this, whenever someone asks me the question, the AI assistant reply to the user according to the details which I have added and uploaded in my AI assistant knowledge base. So now I'll go back towards my flow, and I've simply drag and drop this assign AI assistant. I've selected my AI assistant, and then I have selected start with user client message. So here you can see all the AI assistants which are active. I have selected the AI assistant which I have created by the name therapy. And then I have start with the use client message. Now after creating all these, I have simply toggle on this button. It is important that we toggle on the button, otherwise the flow will remain inactive, and then we save this. If we do not save this, the messages will be lost. The flow which we have created will be lost. So it is important that whenever we create these messages, we save this without switching to another new tab. So here we have successfully created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. I hope this was very clear to you, and if you have any questions or need assistance, you can comment down this video below. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.